Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out, is it bullish or bearish market trend, what's going on with the stock market world. Let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now it's a time for VBull. Let's move to VBull. VBull, let's start from index charts. Looks like it started. Let's start from Dow Jones. Dow Jones flat, right? And S&P flat. Only Nasdaq is kind of positive. Nasdaq is positive. Let's start Nasdaq. It started flat, moved up very nicely, and it was sold off and it closed positive. All other indexes like Dow Jones closed, it moved all day choppy below zero line, and S&P 500 the same way. That's all. Let's move to my charts and we will do technical analysis review. Let's start from DXY USA dollar. If you want to learn more about VBull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages, white line MA 200, purple line it's MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, and green line MA 5. MACD indicators lines, RSI indicators lines, and awesome oscillator bars. That's all. Very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved, but if you follow the indicators, you will be successful. Remember, we follow the trend, we don't fight with the trend. You see this green line, my mouse? Green line, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. Bar moved below SMA, below moving averages 5. When bars below MA5, it is bearish trend. When bars above MA5, it is a bullish trend. Look at it. That bar moved above MA5 long time ago. It was July 19. And it did bullish crossover July 21st. And it's still bullish. Look at it. Still bullish trend. Now it's October 2nd. Bullish trend. USA dollar still bullish. It should be negative for equities and indexes, but it doesn't look like. Okay, now dollar is bullish. Now let's move to Qs. Qs on daily time frame. Looks like, 2 bars. The price action is still bulls and bears still fighting. Last bar closed above MA5 and 10. Still below 20, it is still kind of in the neutral bearish territory. No confirmation for bullish. 4 hours time frame, it's different. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20, it is positive bullish. MA5 ready for bullish crossover over 20. It is positive. All indicators, MACD, RSI, Fibonacci, awesome oscillator, all indicators bullish. At the same time, SMA 20 did bearish setup. It's conflict. It's a very huge conflict. We'll see. I still believe it can be rejected from this price level. This bullish trend can be rejected because of the SMA 20. I could be wrong, but we'll see. We'll see. Bullish reversal on 4 hours time frame. 1 hour time frame, MA5, 10 and bars above 20, it is still positive bullish territory, bullish trend on 1 hour time frame and 4 hours. Daily it is still bearish. Now let's move to VXN, volatility index for Dow Jones. I'm sorry, for volatility index VXN for Qs. Still positive, still bullish on daily time frame, but looks like it was rejected from MA 200 and it wants to go bearish. We'll see. We'll see. So far it is bullish. And it is positive for bullish volatility index, it's negative for Qs. S&P 500 daily. Last bar still below MA5, 10, 20, 50. Still bearish trend. Bearish trend on all indicators. 4 hours time frame. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. Still SMA 20 did bearish crossover over 200. Still bearish. Looks like it wants all indicators. They wants to do bullish crossover. They wants to do bullish reversal on 4 hours time frame. And 1 hour time frame. SMA moving averages 5 and 10 and bars still below 20, still bearish territory. On 1 hour time frame for S&P 500. VIX volatility index for S&P 500. MA5 did bullish crossover over 200. It is still positive bullish trend, and it is negative for S&P 500. Dow Jones, let's see Dow Jones daily, right? Dow Jones has very negative setup. MA5 and bar did bearish crossover over 200. All indicators bearish. Bearish trend. 4 hours time frame. MA5, 10 and 20 and bars did bearish crossover over 200. Very bearish setup. Very bearish setup. And 1 hour time frame. MA5, 10 and bars moved below MA20. Still bearish territory. Some indicators already switched to bullish, but territory is still bearish. Dow Jones bearish on all time frames. VXD volatility index for Dow Jones. Let's see daily. Daily it is still MA5 still above MA10, still bullish. It's negative for Dow Jones. IWM daily. Bearish crossover, bearish setup, SMA 20 did bearish crossover over 200. Last bar below all moving averages, very bearish trend. Daily, right? 4 hours time frame. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and it came back and did bearish reversal. Last bar closed below all moving averages, bearish trend. 1 hour time frame. MA5 and 10 and bars did bearish crossover over 20, and still below 20, still bearish trend on 1 hour time frame. Very negative. Dow Jones on all time frames, negative bearish. I'm sorry, IWM. IWM bearish on all time frames. Dow Jones also bearish on all time frames. Apple, let's start Apple. Let's see Apple. Apple still bearish, MA5 and 10 below 20 and bar. Still bearish trend on daily. 4 hours time frame, MA5 did bullish crossover, last bar stopped at MA20. Bullish reversal signal, we'll see will it be rejected from 20 or it will continue bullish trend. 1 hour time frame, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20, bullish trend on all indicators on 1 hour time frame for Apple. Tesla, let's start Tesla 1 hour time frame. Also, MA5, 10 and bars above 20, bullish crossover, positive trend bullish. 4 hours time frame, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and ready over 20, bullish trend also for Tesla on 4 hours time frame, bounce from 200. Daily time frame, looks like it bounced from MA100, MA100 strong support, similar like it was here, strong support. It looks like it wants to bounce from MA100. So far it's still, MA5 still below 10. No bullish crossover yet. NVIDIA very powerful. Yeah, let's see. It bounced, it was dancing around SMA moving averages 100, and it bounced from 100. 100 looks like strong support. It bounced and last bar moved above MA20. bullish crossover on all indicators. 4 hours time frame, MA5 and 10 did bullish crossover over 20. Also, they bounce from the MA200. Last bar stopped at MA100. 100 strong resistance, it can be rejected from MA150. Can be rejected. So far, still bullish. 1 hour time frame, MA5, 10 and bars about 20, bullish trend on all indicators except awesome oscillator. Nvidia positive bullish on all time frames. Microsoft also, let's see. MA5 and 10 and bar about 20, it is bullish trend. 4 hours time frame, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20, bull and bar closed about 20, bullish trend. At the same time as MA150 did bearish crossover over 200. It's not good. Microsoft Daily still MA5 and 10 and bars below 20. On daily it is still kind of weak, but it can do bullish crossover. Amazon also daily it is still MA5 didn't make bullish crossover yet, still fight between MA50, still bearish right on daily, but 4 hours time frame, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, at the same time MA20 did bearish crossover over 200. For me it is bearish trend. I believe it will be rejected. All indicators did bullish crossover, at the same time it's bullish. It is bullish, but I think it will be rejected because SMA 5 and 10 and bars below 200. Now and 20 below 200. It is bearish. We'll see. Same setup on Qs. Amazon on 1 hour time frame is bullish because MA 5 and 10 and above 20 and 50. Bullish trend for Amazon. And Baba, let's see Baba, Alibaba Group 1 hour time frame. Did bullish crossover and came back, did bearish reversal. Still last, MA5 still below 10 and last bar. Still fighting, it's kind of weak flat price action on 1 hour time frame. 4 hours time frame, similar MA5, 10 and below 20, it is very weak flat price action in the bearish territory. And daily time frame for Baba, MA5, 10 and bars below 20, it is bearish territory. Even, it's a bearish territory, bearish signal. That's all, let's do summary. USA dollar still positive, still bullish, it's negative for Qs and for indexes and equities. Qs the most positive bullish index. On 4 hours and 1 hour time frame, it's already gave us bullish crossover, bullish signal. At the same time, SMA 20 did bearish setup. We will see. It will be a very interesting fight. I believe it will be rejected and will continue bearish, but everything possible in the market. We'll see. Qs the most positive bullish, and S&P 500 and Dow Jones and IWM, they all bearish. On all time frames. And 7 mega stocks, they are bullish. They are bullish on 1 and 4 hours time frame. Bullish on 1 and 4 hours time frame. Even on daily, they are not so powerful, but still bullish on 1 and 4 hours time frame. Looks like we are at the edge between bulls and bears. Looks like bulls, they are trying to push positive bullish, and bears are fighting for the bearish. We'll see. I believe this week will be confirmational for the trend. Will it go on will it continue on daily bearish, or it will switch to bullish? That's all. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Remember, for educational purpose, we're using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get constantly profitable. Thank you for watching simple trading style videos. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.